And now, First Warn 5 weather.
6:43 this morning. It's cold in the valley, and it's cold just about everywhere else. It's not just the state of Texas. The cold is not limited there, even though this is exceptional cold. 20 degrees in Houston right now, 30 in Brownsville, 5 in Oklahoma City. And just look how many places are seeing these frigid temperatures, single digits in Cleveland, 10 in Louisville. That's way below normal. And the cold front is continuing to move east, so these temperatures are going to be dropping along the east coast. They're going to come down as well. About the only places that are going to escape this cold, South Florida and Southern California, and also the desert there in Phoenix. Everyone else is going to be frigid with temperatures way below normal. This is a true Arctic air mass. We're not alone in the cold. Now, the main issue this morning on the roads is going to be in the Harlingen area. The overpasses right now from Expressway 83 and 77, they're all closed. They're working to get them back open. They're treating them with salt, but there's still icy spots on them, so they've closed them off because there were accidents. So you're going to have to find another way around there. Everywhere else, it's going to be isolated icy spots. I don't want you to panic. They're not sheets of ice out there, but there are icy spots that if you don't go a little bit slower, can catch you off guard. You might lose traction briefly going over some of those icy spots, so do take it a little bit slower out there and give yourself time to get the ice off your windshield as well. All right, let's go hour by hour with your forecast. This is going to be a cloudy day, but not as wet as yesterday. It's going to be a lot tougher to see any showers form because the air mass is so dry. That said, I will still leave the possibility of a stray shower or two. And if one of these showers works over you, it's cold enough, we could see some ice pellets fall out of it. It's probably more likely to be rain because the upper atmosphere is still kind of warm, but we wouldn't be surprised if a couple ice pellets fell out if you see one of those showers. But again, during the day, it's mostly going to stay dry. Now, this evening and overnight, some showers are going to start to move in along the coast, but notice it's all green. We're not seeing that shade of pink because temperatures are going to be above freezing around the coast, so we're not worried about an icing issue out there. Now, early tomorrow morning, same thing. Maybe some of those showers starting to move inland, but because temperatures above freezing, we're not worried about any freezing rain, new ice accumulation. So that threat is over with. Now, as we get into the afternoon tomorrow, the scattered showers are going to start to spread farther to the west, and really our best chance of rain is going to be in the evening and overnight hours. Notice the time here, 11 o'clock, and that's when you have your more widespread, not heavy rain, just light rain, but the rain chances are coming back. We're kind of catching a break today, but we're not done with the rain just yet. 39, that is our high temperature today. That's not our current temperature. That is our high temperature, and it's going to feel colder than that. It's not going to be as windy as yesterday, but we're still going to have gusts around 25 miles per hour, so wind chills no higher than the low 30s. And right now, wind chills are in the 20s, if not the teens, and they're not going to be any warmer than the low 30s. Now, tonight's not going to be as cold, but still a cold night. We might hit the freezing mark in Starr County, a couple places in Starr County. Most of us are going to be in the mid-30s, and then out towards the coast, it's going to be the upper 30s. Some isolated showers, mainly along the coast. Wind chills in the upper 20s, though, so it's still going to be a very cold night. And not much better tomorrow. Only highs in the low 40s, low 50s on Friday. Again, best chance of rain is going to be afternoon and evening Thursday, Friday morning, but then we start to dry out. We may still have a shower or two early Saturday morning, but it's going to be much, much warmer. The wind shift, and we're going to be in the mid-70s Saturday afternoon. The low 80s Sunday afternoon. We're completely dry on Sunday, and it looks like we're going to stay dry on Monday and Tuesday. Maybe a small rain chance coming in Tuesday night. And again, our temperatures cool a little bit for the beginning of next week, but nothing like what we were seeing. We just have to get through the next 3 days, and then we'll have much more normal weather to talk about.